What's a solution for your clicking, jammed, or pinched shoulder? You just might have shoulder impingement. We have an exercise to help you. But first, please spend a few seconds to like our video, subscribe to our channel. If you found this video helpful in any way, please consider hitting the thanks button and donating. Also, our team has worked hard to bring some fun and inspiring merch to our channel for a limited time. You can check those out below. We appreciate your support. Having a strong and stable shoulder girdle has its benefits. The purpose of this exercise is to anchor down our collarbone within the complex of the shoulder girdle. A stable collarbone helps your shoulder blade and shoulder joint be allowed to pivot around a stable axis. This means if you are a pitcher or a swimmer or anyone that uses their arms overhead, you should feel stronger. Oh yeah, and not to mention that clicking shoulder, that's because of the collarbone. All right, so we're gonna get right into this collar stabilization exercise. What we wanna do here right now, just to set it up, is to pretend your hands got Velcro and you wanna go right across. Now for some of you who can't go across, you can just hang out in front, but if you can go across, perfect. So this is step one. So step two is just basically raising it to 90 degrees. If you got some pain here, you can hang out lower. With the other arm, you're gonna tuck it right in and you're gonna create a little shelving. Now this is just preparing for the exercise all in itself. You wanna compress where this hand is going up and slightly forward, and this one is coming down and back like a clamshell. Like I'm just trying to bring it towards my belly. So what I wanna do is you're gonna compress down, and I'm basically fighting and opposing each other's forces. So I'm gonna hold that. And the main thing you wanna do to set up this exercise, I'm gonna turn to the side here, is to draw that shoulder blade down. So we're gonna draw that shoulder blade down to set that up, then compress down from there. I like to think of it, if you're like hanging out on a pool deck and in a nice hot summer California day, you're just hanging out here inside the pool and just resting your arm like that. So that's all you're really doing. You're just compressing from there. So hopefully that image is pretty good, and we're gonna throw that right there and hold. And so you're basically gonna hold this for about 90 seconds or till the shakiness stops. We love talking about that the shakiness needs to stop here. So we're gonna hold that. You should feel three different types of muscles. You're gonna feel something called the subclavius. You got the rotator cuff group, and you've also got that shoulder blade stabilizers, the rhomboid specifically. So we wanna hold that down, and we're gonna make those muscles work, because this is the key. I always like to tell people, when we're talking about the shoulder complex, we got 1/3 of the shoulder motion comes from your collarbone, the other third from the actual shoulder joint, and the other third comes from your shoulder blade. So that's the key to the successful cover position or collar stabilizing exercise. Let us know your thoughts on our video. Leave us some love or questions in the comments box below. Please like and subscribe. We appreciate your support. I'm Dr. Lin. Remember, we heal smarter, not harder.